Ephesians 5:14 says, wake up.
Hey, what's up, crew? Gotta get you up from a busy weekend. We got Antisocial Social Club, Supreme Spring Summer 2021, Week 10 and 11, some dunks from GOAT, and Travis Scott Jordan shorts.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. I just want to show everybody out there who's interested in streetwear and fashion, different sneakers and different apparel and different things. I want to show you guys legit items so we all know what we're buying, what it should look like. You know, if you're into copying Antisocial Social Club, then you want to know what this kind of stuff looks like. This collab is super dope. We got Rabbits just going at it on the graphic for this t-shirt from Antisocial Social Club. On here there is this rose little tag on the back of the neck. I'll zoom in. You can check out those tags, see how they're looking. And on the back of the neck, there you go. Printed right on there. Antisocial Social Club does not fit oversized. I would definitely make sure you go true to size. If anything, you could go up a size because they just go with American standard size tees. It's not anything small like a European style sizing or Asian style sizing. So yeah, you should be good to go even with this FR2 collaboration. I know FR2 is a Japanese brand. Yeah, super dope. Crazy fire. I don't have time to get into it now, but in the future I might have to do that because I gotta get into this Supreme. This is from the Week 10 pickup that I was able to snag. I just grabbed this brown Small Box Logo bandana t-shirt. So it's a really premium t-shirt. Their jersey tees or whatnot. This one is a little bit more expensive than like their standard, you know, just grab a t-shirt like this Apes tee. This is a standard Supreme size large. I'm 6'1", about 150 pounds. So yeah, I wear large. I can wear medium as well. Oh, losing shit out of me. I did also get a couple pairs of the Supreme boxer briefs on this round because the Week 10 really, I was after that denim jacket, didn't snag it, so I just grabbed a few things, you know, that I could wear underneath or whatnot, layer in. So I did get 2 Supreme Box Logo stickers. Supreme is really great about giving you some free stickers normally in their orders. But yeah, this Box Logo t-shirt I feel like would be really nice to layer. On the back of the neck you can know what the labels look like. And then down below you have your sticker label on the back. Kind of right in the middle, your warning information. And your Supreme Box Logo. Oh, and this embroidery, I guess, I mean. Little tiny embroidery. There it is. And then for the briefs, I mean, this is a size small briefs. They have their sizing on the back. Anybody wanting to know? Yeah. So you have your sticker there. But then you also have this size guide. So you can know exactly what size to get. One thing I like about these Hanes boxers, which I mean I wear all the time, non-stop, everywhere I go, pretty much, I mean, but they are extra long. Oh jeez. They are extra long, so yeah, they fit nice. Just want to let you guys know that Supreme boxers, I don't think they're gonna be bunching up on you badly. They don't ever bunch up on me, and that's nice because some boxer briefs just no good, no bueno. I'm getting into the Week 11 Supreme pickup now. I did get the Nike socks and the Air Max 96, the silver pair. Okay, we got this. Looks like they put some paper in here for protection. A couple more Box Logo stickers, and where are my socks? I thought I had socks. Here's the box, your Supreme Nike box. It's a box I've seen before. When Supreme and Nike do collaborations, you have this glossy on the top, little tiny Supreme box logos on either side, your trademark information on the bottom, and then here's the label. Yeah, I got these true to size. My size is 10.5, so we'll see how they do. Open these up for the first time, take a look at them. The paper on here has a really light hint of the Supreme and Nike. And, oh man, these things are so loud. The 96 has not been a shoe that's been very hot. Honestly, Nike really hasn't released any in a while. They did like a 20-year anniversary thing in 2016, but since then, I really don't think there's been a whole lot happening. The nice little orange tag here, I don't know, kind of dope if people are into collecting those. The insole is really sticking up. You can see this blue here, that's the bottom of the insole. So when you put your foot in, you know, push that down. But for now, it's just all lifted up in there, and you can see on the edges, I don't know, and you got some perforation in there, it looks like. Little bit of venting and whatnot. This pair did ring up for $175, so there's some nice tech to them, I'm sure. They're super shiny, super silver, crazy, yeah, reflective on here. Has sort of a crinkled metal look to it, or metal flake in a way. The embroidery at the top of the tongue is just amazing. They did a lot of great work on that little bit of embroidery there. Looks great. The back side, they have this embossed Supreme, and that looks super fire, super clean. I didn't even know that was there. Super hard to see in pictures, I'm sure, or just in general, you don't really catch that. Nice little detail. The laces actually have a little speckling of silver in them, or yeah, one of the threads is silver. And then, dudes, this insole, look at that. Your Supreme insole. It's actually sticky on this back side, so I don't think it's supposed to be coming out of the shoe. I think that maybe my pair, they just didn't push the insole down all the way, but you do have that nice air unit in there in the forefront and in the heel. You got those air bubbles all in under your foot, and has a dope vibe to it. It is really crazy just being totally transparent with all the plastic on the sidewalls of the shoe and even on the toe box. I'm gonna check out sizing on them, throw them on real quick, and yeah, dude, these definitely fit. These definitely fit true to size. Don't have to worry about sizing up, sizing down. Should be totally fine. Oh, my shirt got a little dirty from those packages. Oh, my pants got dusty too. Man, those things are dirty out there. Oh, well, at least these shoes are nice and clean still. They have a nice little takeoff to the toe box that kind of makes you want to move your foot forward. So, a nice curve there at the front. I mean, this is 1996 technology in this pair. So, yeah, you're dealing with that, but definitely premium construction with the materials and whatnot. I mean, we're getting some plastic on here that's super, super crazy see-through. I don't know how much that cost them. Hopefully that's some nice plastic that's not going to get punctured easy or start to yellow really quickly. Hopefully not. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about this crazy pair. It does have some cool reflective hints on there. Most notably, there's this piping all around the laces and around your ankle, and that is all 3M reflective, real bright on there. Bottoms is all just one big black piece of rubber. We'll put these right over here. How about that? Yeah, that works. Okay, next up we're going to get into the dunks that I grabbed from GOAT, and looks like they repurposed this box. I mean, this thing looks like it has been opened and then resealed. So I don't know if GOAT is now using or reusing boxes. They're not just using brand new ones all the time. Or actually, maybe not. This must be just a GOAT box repackaging deal because this tape underneath isn't broken. So what actually happened is the shipping company applied some additional tape because the box was coming undone. Anyways, these dunk highs, I did go for a half size up, went with a size 11 instead of my regular 10.5 because to me it really feels like dunks are really grabbing the front of my foot. And I'm going to try half size up in these Red Octobers. Actually, I have another pair of dunks. In the last video, I opened those. So yeah, the 11s are better for me. These ones, though, are a very special pair. I'm a big fan of Kanye's Red Octobers, and I can't afford Red Octobers. But I got these Dunk Comforts, and they're made with crimson. That's a great Nike color. There's your label on there. And so I'm hoping that they have a reminiscent look. You guys can tell me what you think. That's what we're looking at right there. They need to be dusted a bit. They're a little bit dusty. Somebody definitely has not dusted these recently. In here we do have our GOAT verification little tag. They've been thrown in to all their most recent send-outs or whatnot. Here is the shoe. Kind of dirty. But my clothes are already dirty because the packaging is just ridiculous. But yeah, the suede on these still looks really nice. I saw them on GOAT sitting for a while, and I finally decided to grab them up. Yeah, and they need some cleaning. There's a little bit of cleaning needs to be done on this side. on the inside underneath the swoosh. But yeah, they have some cool vibes to them. I don't know, I just thought they were dope. A nice red dunk. And then this texture on the back is really reminiscent of Kanye. They just give me some Kanye vibes. So I don't know, I might wear them with some Kanye fits or some other fits. You guys tell me what you think about them, if you like them. They are called Dunk Comfort, so there should be some extra comfort in there, or I would assume there's some extra comfort to them. And they did retail for $20 more than the regular Dunks, so there might be some additional comfort, I'm sure. I'll give them a try. And now we're breaking into the Travis Scott Jordan pool shorts. I think that's what these were. Yeah, swim shorts or something like that, poolside. Yeah, they look like there's some sort of waterproof material. Nice. These are so dope. I actually grabbed these from the Travis Scott website. His actual website dropped the apparel and the Jordan 6s. All those items dropped the day before the sneakers app, and some people were sleeping. They weren't checking out super fast. I checked out sort of fast for these shorts. I actually had a shirt in there as well, and it did end up selling out. So then I was like, oh no. So I was really quick to just check out these shorts. I did get them in the size small, which I'm pretty sure is my size. I do wear Eric Emanuel shorts in a medium. That's what these are. I'm going to try these on in a size small. Here's the tag on the back. Fairly standard Nike tags. Wanting information, you need a tag on the inside, your hang tag. I definitely want to wear these to Astroworld. I got my tickets to Astroworld just last week when they released. So stoked to get them. I didn't know if I was going to get through the queue. Somehow I did though. There's a whole bunch of paper in this. Like, oh my goodness, how am I supposed to get these out of here? I don't even know how to do this. I'm gonna take off this tape first because this tape is really causing a lot of problems for me getting this item out of here. And now we'll get out the shorts and the paper. So we have a whole bunch of paper all over the place, helping protect all of your graphics there. So thanks Nike for all the paper. And then you do have a pretty nice stretch zone for these shorts. It's not a hard stretch on it, or it's not super tight elastic. It does have a bit of give. And then you have the drawstring, so if you do need a little bit more secure fit, so you know you can put your phone in your pockets or whatever. But here's the tags on here. The other tags we haven't seen yet. There's the one. And that one is right next to a tag. Would be directly behind you. Your Jordan tag. In the back there. And then there's that hang tag again. Some info on there. Yeah, Cactus Jack. And then you have also this white tag. Swatch tag, care instructions, whatnot. These are lined with a nice mesh. They do have some pockets. You got one pocket in the back, a really premium pocket. It's like, yeah, it's all sewn over. It's pretty nice. Front pockets, pretty decent depth to them. Not a whole lot, but enough for a cell phone and iPhone and whatnot. I'll go ahead, I'll throw them on, and we'll see how they fit. And yeah, definitely fit me nice. I'm glad I went with a small. I'm a 32 waist, so yeah, some good length on them. I'm 6'1", like I said. These are definitely fitting almost like basketball shorts. They even have the little cut on them on the side. So yeah, I mean, they are Jordan shorts. They're definitely similar to basketball shorts, and that's why I was thinking I should go with a size small. You do have Cactus Jack embroidered on the side here in red. Then you've got your Jordan emblem in red on the other side. And yeah, I mean, they fit pretty nice. I could probably get away with sizing up. You know, have the drawstring and whatnot to make them fit better and whatever. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shorts. And before I let you go, I'm gonna shoot some positivity at you. I know this is a long one, but I wanna help you. I wanna make you better. I wanna better myself every day. And part of that is by helping others. So, I mean, I'm showing you guys legit items, all the tags, all the height. Now I'm gonna share some mental strength with you. So in this comic, David Hayward has drawn for us a scenario with choose your date, and this person is having to choose between somebody who is an exclamation point and someone who is a question mark. The exclamation point is all stiff and rigid and not willing to change their views, really strict on how the world works and this is how it's going to be and life can never be different. It's already figured out. Number 2 is a question mark. And question marks, not really sure how life's gonna go, just wants to go with the flow, wants to just have love, wants to just have exciting times and explore and everything like that. This can be a great example for life because so often we can get into a zone or a routine where we're just rigid and we're stiff and we're not willing to change our mind about issues or situations or view them in a different light. And being that rigid exclamation point is just ridiculous and it's just not fun for anybody around you, and quite frankly it's full of drama and just obnoxiousness like an exclamation point should be. I mean, and I know question marks, not always so fun to be around question marks, people who just can't get themselves together, always changing. I mean, me, I'm ridiculous, nobody can handle me. I've been moved around jobs like crazy. I'm really need to be self-employed and I'm working towards that, but I just want it to be right for me. I've tried to be self-employed in the past and you got to do it the right way. And what I have in mind is going to take some groundwork. So anyways, definitely stay positive out there. Learn to question yourself. Be okay with questioning what it is you do. Maybe ways to make things better in your life, because some people are just in a rut. They're just doing the same thing over and over and it's just not getting better for them. If anything, they're falling deeper into a depression or into a negative hole or whatever. And yeah, stepping back, asking some questions can do a lot of people a lot of good. So I love you all and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and don't forget to message me if you want me to paint you a shirt. You know, I paint shirts. This is what I do.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, one trying to get a pill. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, one trying to get it right. Trying to do right now. If it's working.